Have you ever experienced something strange with your Alexa device? Multiple users have shared unsettling experiences, from hearing unexplained typing noises in the middle of the night to being questioned about their personal lives. Some devices have even referenced users' past, such as their nursing school history. These incidents have raised concerns about smart speakers listening in on our private conversations and retaining our personal information. As the use of smart speakers becomes more widespread, it's essential to consider the potential risks to our privacy. With the ability to control our homes and provide information, these devices are becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives.